This is Scrapbook.com, and we're looking at some new dies and stamps and embossing folders from Momenta. So these are really fun because some of them are just dies and some of them cut and emboss. So make sure on Scrapbook.com's website, that you always look at the title and the description to read exactly what the product does. But I want to point out a few cute ones. So this one cuts and embosses designs on mermaids, a little octopus and a fish, so really cute. There are also some sentiment ones. This one says hello, thanks, congrats, XOXO, and a few other things. And this one just cuts. You can see cutting templates and then cut and emboss here. And then I wanted to show you this one because it was so fun with all the food. This one cuts and embosses. You get the donut with the sprinkles, little pretzel, the pizza, really cute little set here. There are also these more intricate cutting templates that have beautiful flourishes. Very intricate dies would be perfect for card fronts, for Valentine's Day, weddings, really special occasions. I love these. There are a lot of different varieties and they're compatible with most of the popular die cutting brands like Sizzix and Spellbinders machines. I also wanted to point out this cutting template. It's a cute little goodie bag, and everything you need for the goodie bag is in this die piece here. So it's one piece that you can fold up into a cute little favor box. Here are a couple more cutting templates. This one's kind of a reverse cut with the butterflies on it, and this lovely flourish. And along with all of the new dies, there are tons of new acrylic stamps to take a look at. So I went ahead and grabbed a few of my favorites, but definitely look up Momenta Stamps on Scrapbook.com's website so you can see them. But this one is so cool. You can pick different plants to go on top of your vases. There's a new feather set, a really sweet fruit kind of summery set, and I love this beautiful woodland kind of set with the owl and the autumn leaf. So these are some of the new dies and stamps from Momenta. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happy crafting!